Good morning. I'm coming to you from my brand new 2022 Ram 1500. I'm driving up into North Georgia to try to find an area I haven't been to in probably 30 years. This place called Hawk Mountain. I'm coming from suburbs of North Atlanta, and this is an area north of the city of Dahlonega in North Georgia. I'm going to try to find it this morning. I do have some maps, of course, and it's not that hard to find. But like I said, I haven't been there in 30 years. And I used to spend quite a bit of time up there in my late teens. I can't think if I was in there past my 20s or early 20s. I don't think so. But we'll see. It's an easy track. A normal car can get there, but I'm just taking my new Ram 1500, the Rebel Edition, up there just to break it in a little bit and take some nice video and see what y'all think. Okay, coming into Dahlonega now, just as some information. It's late April. It's late or mid-spring, I'd guess. It's about 53 degrees. It's a beautiful cloudless day. And I'm guessing it'll take me 25 minutes from Dahlonega to get to the unpaved road. Right when you get to the Frank Merrill Ranger Camp, take a right and head up into the hills from there. Okay, so I just reached the Camp Merrill back behind me. That's the Ranger Camp, and it's the entrance. Now I'm heading up the road here. Four-wheel drive is not required. We've been up here in cars. It's just a dirt road, pretty well improved. And it's a beautiful morning. We'll see how this goes. Just for some direction type stuff, once you leave out of Dahlonega and you're taking Route 60 north, you take a left on Camp Wasega Road, and then once you get to the Ranger Camp, you take a right up the mountain, and that is Cooper Gap Road. And now you keep veering off to the left, and now I'm on Appalachian Blue Ridge Road, and of course it's a dirt road the whole way, of course. But this road or trail, however you want to say it, does cross the Appalachian Trail a couple of times. I just saw some hikers back there doing their thing. So it's a cool track. It looks like not everything is bloomed up here. They're probably about a week or two behind back where we live to the south. Everything's still trying to bloom, and you certainly can feel the pollen today. So I found the turn to come up to the top of Hawk Mountain, and this is what I found. It's a gate, and it's locked. So, kind of a long drive for nothing. Let's see if I can fly up there, send the drone up and see what it looks like now. See if that works.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows,
Okay, so I tried to send the drone up, and I guess maybe because where we are went up and I lost connection. So the drone's sitting up there hovering at well above where it's supposed to, its allowable height. And I had to close out the app, open the app back up, and then it did reconnect. And I pressed the button to tell it to come back home to my location, and it did. But it was a little interesting. Anyways, that didn't work so well. I have to figure out why that was. Maybe, I don't know, just remote location. I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to have the pretty significant range, and it certainly wasn't near well out of the range it's said to have. So I don't know what happened. Anyway, I got it back, thank God. Anyway, so change of plan since I can't go up at the top of the mountain. I might go to another place down below this, a little lower. It's called Rock Creek Lake, and see what that's like, because I haven't been there in a long time too. We'll see. Yeah, so this is the road down to Rock Creek Lake. All right, this is Rock Creek Lake. Swam in this lake many times as a young teenager. Still very pretty. Don't see any fish, but I know they stock this lake. It's like a campsite across the way there. This is a GoPro, so I can't zoom in on it. It's a really pretty lake. Very quiet, very peaceful. So just a quick recap. Obviously could not get to the top of Hawk Mountain because of the gate, so that's kind of a bust. Got to see the nice area, Rock Creek Lake. There's a lot of people up here, I'm surprised. This is a Thursday, and there's a fair amount of campers, hikers. I've seen some bikers, some motorcycle riders, and just some people passing through. So a lot more people than I thought would be here on a Thursday. Maybe they're gonna be a long weekend, who knows? But there's a lot of more for definitely here since last night. And with some rain coming, it probably isn't the best idea to be around this weekend. So anyway, I'm coming up on Camp Wasaga Road and the Ranger Camp, and then head back into town. I think we'll close out the video here.